Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Box break of 2011 Topps Decision.
Taylor Price.
Oh, redemption.
Yeah.
Who's it for?
DeMarco Murray. Cool. Cowboy figures. Ooh, rookie
check it out.
autograph jumbo red relic patch. Oh, that's good. Just sucks it's not in hand. It's an
Right.
ugly white card here.
True, true.
Doesn't say what it's numbered to, but it looks pretty cool. That it will be cool. Nice. Well, then here, people would be excited when they pull that.
Yeah.
Funny you'd pull a
Here.
Cowboy.
Yeah.
You're a Cowboy fan, right?
Nah.
Well, join the club.
Edit that.
But DeMarco Murray sold.
Another Cowboy.
Ooh, Tony Dorsett. Nice.
Spin it around,
Hall of
Banoy.
Famer. Tony Dorsett.
Thanks.
This is a Cowboy box, apparently.
Is it numbered
Yeah.
to anything?
It is not numbered. I don't think they do a lot of numbering. Doesn't mean it's not a short print.
True, true.
Nice looking thing. There's the Roger Staubach in there.
Yeah.
Tom Landry. Dual autograph.
And Davis. Brewers.
Redskin. LeVar Arrington.
Yeah.
Is that who it is?
Leonard.
Oh, no. Oh, it's a rookie. Leonard Hankerson. I know you're not thrilled,
Two
but that,
Cowboys.
that could be two bills there.
Yeah.
Yeah, his stuff's high. He's by far no common.
Are you happy?
No.
Yeah.
Give me a fake smile.
When he
There you
sells
go.
that one.
Yeah, because we're in Cowboy territory here.
There you
so
go.
easy sells.